Guys, in this question we are going to solve, it's a paper 2 year 2022. Today my session is of paper 2. It's a calculator version, so the calculator is allowed. So in this case a cuboid is given with the dimension x by 10, and the volume of the cuboid 62.5 is also given. We are supposed to find out the value of x here. We know that x by x, the dimensions, first we multiply the dimensions together, and then we will find out the value of x here. The dimensions are given x by x by 10. So take the dimensions, x by x is becomes x square multiply by 10, that is equal to 62.5. So make the equation, solve the equation. 10 is multiplying, when you will shift it over there, so it will divide. So the value of x square becomes 6.25. To cancel the square, take the root on both sides. Value of x, required value of 6.25 root is 2.5. The value of x in the volume of cuboid is basically 2.5. In the next case, a sector area is given. We are supposed to find out the arc length of that sector area. How can we find out the arc length? We are to prove, we are to show that the arc length of the sector is 7 pi, that is 7 pi centimeter. We know that, you must know the formula to find out the arc length. We know that arc length of the sector is basically the theta over 360, and we multiply by 2 pi r. So the theta that is given here 84, theta is given 84 divided by 360. We will divide it by 360, and we multiply by value by 2 pi r, and the 2, and we'll keep pi as it is because we are supposed to write the answer in the form of pi and write. And what is the r here? What is the radius? Radius is basically from the center of the circle to the end of the circle, so the radius is 15 here. Replace the r by its value. When you will simplify the answer, then you will be getting the answer. After simplification, it would be 7 pi. In the next part, in part 2, we are supposed to find out the radius of the cone. So if you join the cone, it is saying OA is joined with OB to form the curved surface area of the cone. We are making the curved surface area of the cone. So